The Chinese are launching their own version of Starlink, and they're launching it to over 30 countries, and South Africa could be on the menu. Yes, we need this. We need this because Elon Musk and the Americans have been bullying South Africa for the past 3 months, to a point that Elon Musk argued that the reason that South Africa is not allowing Starlink to come to South Africa is because he's not black. South Africa is not blocking Elon Musk's Starlink to come to South Africa and operate because he's not black. The reason is because South Africa has laws, and Starlink needs to adhere to the laws, and the law says that 30% of Starlink needs to belong to local black people. But Elon Musk is going to be a hypocrite about this, because we know that in Britain he's following the laws because they're not allowing Tesla self-driving cars to be operational there. So why does he want to come to South Africa by force and not follow the laws? This is the reason we need healthy competition in a capitalist system. Remember when DStv had a monopoly in South Africa? They were charging any price they wanted and they couldn't go out of business. Now that we have Netflix, they are going out of business. Now that Starlink, America and Elon Musk will know that South Africa has an option, they won't be able to disrespect us the way they've been doing. We have an option. We can go to the East and the Chinese to get a Starlink type of technology, not working with Elon Musk. Now back to the Chinese. Their impressive Starlink type of satellite system is called SpaceSail, and it launched its 18 satellites last year, August 2024, and in 2025 January they had launched 72 satellites. But Tesla is way ahead, because at the moment they have 7,000 satellites and they are going to increase when time goes on. But don't underestimate the Chinese, because I only heard about their version of Starlink last year, and already they were launching, and now they are launching in other countries. The Chinese move very quickly because they've already overtaken Tesla when it comes to battery cars. They are number 1 in the world, so don't underestimate them.